Alright guys, we have just arrived in the Enchanted Forest.
I'm so excited, I've never been before.
No, this is our first time here, and it's just like a light show through the forest at night, and to be honest, we don't really know what to expect. You get this big weird guy that looks a bit like Groot. It's pretty cool, isn't he? Here's just a wee look over where we're about to go. It looks pretty cool. Look at the size of this big guy. He is brilliant, isn't he? Look at that. So I get some of the food stalls here, and you can get pizza down here. Just to show you some of the pizzas here, and there's the oven, the cooking in. Smell dynamite. We just got another big massive guy here, although this time it's just a big face. How scary is that in the forest? So see some of the light show just in the distance there as well. And guys, this really is an enchanted forest. It is pretty cool. Look how light it is. And this big guy just, hi you guys! How cool do these bushes look with sort of like purple and green on them? They're pretty awesome. And Natalie's feeling like a fairy tonight, she says. We're just about to go into the second half of the Enchanted Forest, just across this brilliantly lit bridge. This looks so cool. There's some more of the stuff down there. And just here to the left is where we came from, where you just seen all that water stuff. Sort of light show on the water. Off in the distance there, man, some cool lights as well, some nice purples and whites and greens. Oh, so there is another big cracking face. There's a lot of these sort of big things around. Oh, and there's some creepy eyes there as well. How cool is all this? This looks like hundreds of lanterns. Oh my goodness, like little torches. They are, aren't they? So amazing. Just look like fire. Makes it look as if the forest is on fire. I love this bit.
Little fireflies.
Isn't it? It's like proper as if it's just on fire. Look, oh, your hat's pure glistening.
Oh, is it?
Aye.
Oh, wow.
All the glitter on your hat. Just check the beautiful colours of the forest in the background. Just before this show starts again. Here's somebody's wee hut. Be great to stay there, but maybe not the night because of everything that's going on. And then we'll just get this crazy fountain going off in the distance here. Don't really know what's going on with this fountain. I think it's just lights, to be honest, just a wee show. But it's pretty cool looking. And then we get these amazing colours up here in the forest. Some oranges, whites, yellows, brilliant. You're just some random radios.
Look forward to it. The sun shines through the sleepy forest as it rises in the sky. The chirping birds sing, signaling that it is time to wake up.
A crazy wee light show just here. Just going to head in and see what this is.
Go and try and say that word.
Right, okay. Wait a minute to put it on camera so everybody can see it. So this is the word I've got to try and say. Alumiphonomy?
I would say aluminium.
Right, okay, I think I butchered that.
I'm a musician now.
You are a musician now, Natalie. Guys, we're going in for a shot. So just in this section that's like sort of balls on the trees, and if you've ever been and seen Blue Man Group, this is exactly what it looks like and sounds like.
Yeah, the music is spot on. It's the first thing I thought of.
Yeah, it's really good. These are brilliant. Look at them, they're just like big balloons, like just hanging there. We just get some wee fairies in the distance here.
That's lovely.
That is pretty cool.